Bow chicka wow wow. Come cook with daddy.
Hi there, welcome to Cooking with me, the Daddy Angel. Tonight for dinner we're going to make a Korean Bibimbap. Yep, I said that. Bibimbap. If you don't know what that is, it's just kind of like a bunch of vegetables with ground beef or ground turkey, depending on how you like it, and on top of a bowl of rice. But I don't eat rice, so I don't make it with a bowl of rice because I'm trying to, you know, cook for abs. You dig? And today's gonna be a little hip hop since we feeling swaggy. So let's get started. Just kidding. I'm gonna have to out them dance moves already now.
Let's start with the ingredients. We're going to need ground beef or turkey, mushrooms, carrots, zucchini, scallions, ginger, white vinegar, sesame oil, soy sauce, hot sauce, vegetable seasoning, and black pepper. We start by washing all our produce and then peeling those carrots. We're going to peel those carrots into thin strips, and then we're going to do the same with the zucchini. Peel the zucchini until you reach the core, and then go onto the other sides. Do that with every side of the zucchini. Once we peel all sides of that zucchini, we're just going to discard that middle part with the seeds and just use the thin strips. That's going to be used for our Korean Bibimbap. I love that word, so I'm going to keep saying it. Now, we're going to go ahead and thinly slice those scallions. I use the lighter white parts in the cooking, and then the darker green parts of the scallions I use as garnish. So separate those two. Then we're going to go ahead and mince or grate, depending on whatever you prefer, the ginger. I'm actually going to mince it. So as you can see, I go ahead and peel that ginger and then mince it up, chop it up, make it nice and small pieces there, and then move that to the side. Now for the mushrooms, we're going to peel that little tip off at the bottom of the mushroom, and then vertically, thinly slice those mushrooms. Alright, this takes a really good knife and a lot of finesse, so make sure you sharpen that knife before doing this. If not, you're going to have some really ugly mushrooms, and we don't want that. Now that we're done prepping the vegetables, this is how they should look, and we can get started with the sauces. So first thing we do is we take those scallion whites and let them soak in some white distilled vinegar. Set that aside. We're going to use that later. Then we put another small bowl with sesame oil and also some soy sauce and sriracha or any kind of hot sauce that you prefer. We mix that nice little sauce up and set that bowl aside so we can get started with the magic, the actual cooking. Let's put those carrots with a drizzle of oil, some black pepper, and some vegetable seasoning. Mix that all up. Let those carrots soften up. Then we do the same with the zucchini. Then after that, we're going to put a little bit more of the olive oil and put those mushrooms right in there. After that, we have the mushrooms there. We're going to go ahead and put some black pepper, season them with a little vegetable seasoning as well, and let those cook until they're nice and soft and nice and brown. Alright, well, these mushrooms just about look perfect, so we can go ahead and put all the vegetables in one bowl. We're almost done. All we need now is the beef. Pat dry that beef. We're only going to season it with black pepper and ginger for now, and then put that on that stove there. No oil or anything necessary, just that beef on medium-high heat. We're going to cook it through until you start seeing those juices and that fat just kind of oozing out of it. Once we have enough fat off. Now we go ahead and take that beef and drain it so that all that fat comes off, and we bring it back onto the stove to finish cooking. In order to cook now, we already put that black pepper and ginger before, and now we go ahead and add the soy sauce on it. That way it gives it a little bit of saltiness and that Asian kick. Let that beef cook a little more until it's nice and kind of brown. Then we're gonna go ahead and serve on top of those vegetables. Add the vinegared scallions on there. We're also gonna go ahead and drizzle over that sauce that we made with the sesame oil, soy sauce, and sriracha. And if you want a little more of a kick, go ahead and put some more hot sauce on there. That's fine. It tastes delicious with it. That's it. All right. Thank you so much for cooking with me, your Daddy Angel. I hope you enjoyed your meal, and I'll see you next time for dinner.